Tired of searching through emails and file folders to find that one document you need? We've all been there. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and a surefire way to kill your productivity. But what if there was a better way? A way to manage all your forms and documents in one central, easy-to-access location. Welcome to the world of seamless document management on the Ally platform. Whether you're a longtime user or just getting started, understanding how to navigate and utilize the Forms and Documents section can be a game changer. So let's dive in and unlock the power of paperless. First things first, where do you find everything? It's simple. Once you're logged into your Ally account, look for the Profile and Settings menu. From there, you'll see a Documents or Forms option. This is your digital filing cabinet. Here you'll find everything from your monthly statements and tax forms to important account-specific documents. Now, a pro tip, for those who have a mix of Ally Bank and Ally Invest accounts, you'll want to pay close attention. Documents are typically categorized by account type. So if you're looking for a trade confirmation, you'll want to navigate to the Ally Invest section. What about those times you need to send Ally a document? This is where the platform's secure messaging and upload features come in handy. For most forms, you'll be able to download a PDF, fill it out, and then securely upload it directly back to Ally. This is a much faster and more secure option than faxing or mailing. Just find the Secure Message Center or Document Upload feature, attach your file, and you're good to go. And for those of you who are all about that mobile life, the Ally mobile app has you covered. The process is just as smooth and intuitive. You can access and manage your documents directly from your phone, making it super easy to stay organized, no matter where you are. The Ally platform is designed to make your financial life simpler. By taking advantage of these built-in document management tools, you're not just organizing files, you're taking control of your financial information and saving yourself a whole lot of time and hassle. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.